Hello and welcome to our channel again. Today we have Audi Q7 2019, and the vehicle was brought by a recovery truck. Sorry for the very nasty noise in background. This is in the neighborhood, so happening there. So this is the vehicle was brought in this condition. Look at the condition of the vehicle, and actually the vehicle was involved in an accident. Then the crash signal was triggered, and they took the vehicle to a garage. The garage then reset the crash triggering signal back, and so this is the engine code. It's DHXA, and actually I didn't know when the customer called me and told me that he is going to bring the vehicle, that the vehicle is in this situation. As you can see, the air filter housing with the mass airflow sensor. These are here, and also it has been played with this vehicle too much, and as you can see, let me show you the camshaft position sensor. So the camshaft position sensor securing screw is missing, and also as you can see, this is the wire of the camshaft position sensor. And look, it has been messy, and so this is a mild hybrid vehicle. It's 50 TDI Quattro Q8, as you can see. So after according to the customer, saying that after that they reset the crash signal and they couldn't start the vehicle. The vehicle can be fired with the easy start, but it cannot keep running the engine. So as soon as the chemical of the easy start finish in the combustion chamber, the vehicle or the engine is going to stall again. And I'm not sure, it's actually in very messy condition that the vehicle is brought. And also the 48 volt battery is going to be empty, I think, because the vehicle was involved in an accident, and then it was taken by the insurance company out. And then I think the vehicle was resold. Let me look, and this is the 48 volt battery. I think this is going to be the 48 volt battery. So as you can see, so first I'm going to connect the battery charger to the vehicle. Then I'm going to scan the vehicle today again. Previously I scanned the vehicle, then I cleared the fault code, then I rescanned the vehicle, and I got both scan reports. So I'm going to share that with you as well first. Then we are going to scan the vehicle and go to the live data and see the 48 volt battery cells charging status, charge status, and then we are going to charge the 48 volt battery with the auxiliary battery, and then once we charge that one, then we are going to try start the engine if we can't start the engine. So this is the auxiliary battery charge status. As you can see, it's 11.1. so the other battery, the 48 volt battery, may be empty completely or discharged. So let me connect charger to the vehicle. Okay, I have connected battery charger to the vehicle actually, and the vehicle is receiving up 25 amps of current right now. So let me show you the battery status. So this battery is being charged, and also as you can see, the ignition is still off. So now I'm going to scan the vehicle. First I'm going to share the previous two scan tools, scan reports, sorry, not, or scan tool reports, or whatever you call it. So I'm going to take the multimeter away from here. So okay, first I'm going to connect the mass airflow sensor, because without that it's going to be impossible to reconnect this one too. Okay, I have connected the air filter housing, air filter itself, and the mass airflow sensor. Okay, now I'm going to turn the ignition on. So ignition is on. So first I'm going to show you the previous scan report. So safety system fault, okay. This is the problem we got. One, electric system low, battery charged, battery will washer fluid, electric system full, please contact workshop, brake pad wear. These are the problem. Okay, this is the first report. No, data, just hold on. Okay, this is the first report. No, this is actually second report. See this one. Oh yeah, this is the first report. As you can see, we got 73 fault codes. Let me take you through this report. So these are the fault codes we had, as you can see. Okay, this is the vehicle scan report, which vehicle came first, and then I clear this fault code off, and this is the second one. So when I clear that, we still got 7 fault code on this one, but engine control, engine electronic, central electric, data bus, OBD interface, battery, management, 2 battery regulation, and these and this is the definition of the full codes. But this one, the second one, which is 0 in electronic, central electric, it's B139700, and the function limitation due to crash signal. This is showing again in on the scanner. So anyway, today I'm going to scan the vehicle again and see okay, I'm going to go for smart scan. Okay, scanning procedure has completed. So Okay, total we got 18 fold codes again. So let me bring that here. Oh my God. This is not good because the vehicle is outside and it cannot be seen properly. Okay, no, actually it cannot be seen here as well. 1 second. If I can put that here. So and so we got total 18 fold code. Why it's not? So we have 18 fold codes in total. So 2N engine electronics and 3N electronic central electric, 6 an airbag, come on, what the hell is that? 2 and data bus OBD interface 2 and battery management 2. So 1 and comfort system, that's not important. 2 fold and information electronics 1. So these are the fault codes, and now we are going to see the definition of the fault code. So engine electronic P01BC00, it says engine oil temperature sensor B circuit high, U350100 control module input power A circuit low. This is going to be due to the battery low voltage, and the high pressure sensor lower limit not reached. This is in electronic central electric. So the other is B10CD00 function limitation due to energy management, function limitation due to crash signal. This B139700 is stored again, and an airbag, passenger side rear seat belt tensioner resistance too high, driver side rear safety belt tension. This is in the airbag, driver belt for front passenger. So this is in the airbag. So data bus error value received, energy management active, hybrid EV battery pack state of charge low. So this is the scan report. So I'm going to go back to the live data. So see. Okay, I'm going to exit this one. So I'm going to go for BMM21 battery management 2. I'm going to go for live data. Cell 1, cell 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13. Okay. Cell 1 has 8% of charge. Cell state of charge textual numerical. So cell 2 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 11 9. This is very strong, man. And cell 13 9. So I'm going to first connect the I'm going to first connect 50 amps DC current to the vehicle. Then I am going to close this one. So then wait for the battery until get charged to approximately 50%. Then we are going to try and start the engine and see what the engine is doing. Okay, as you can see, battery charger and vehicle, this vehicle alternator current is are both connected to this vehicle. So battery charger and vehicle alternator current both are connected to this vehicle. Okay, turn the ignition on. Okay, now so going to this one. This one is, yeah. Now the ignition has turned on, and okay, now we are going to go for adaptation. So after adaptation, we are going to select this one, going to OK. So select this one, active. As you can see, it says please input new value. Active. not active. If I press save, it's going to say need access approval. So this one. So to get this access approval, we are going to go back. So back again. So we are going to online secure login. Okay, I think our scanner needs to be connected to a Wi-Fi. So where is that? We are going to connect our scanner to Wi-Fi. Okay, let's see this time if the scanner is connected to Wi-Fi. No, not connected. So hold on. As you can see, it's still, the scanner is still not connected to Wi-Fi. So back, Wi-Fi is on now. Yeah, scanner is connected to Wi-Fi. As you can see now. So as soon as the scanner detected Wi-Fi, and when the scanner is connected to Wi-Fi, it gives me this code. Now we are going to try each code and see that which code can successfully log in as. So first one failed, second one failed, third one failed, fourth one failed, fifth failed, sixth failed, not available, failed, and unfortunately all of these codes were failed. So click the button at the bottom to switch the login code in formation of different function. Please switch off the ignition, switch for 5 minutes and try again. If the login failed for 3 consecutive times, the login code is most likely to be at the top. So click the button at the bottom. So which one should we click? Other? Hold on. Switch ignition off. Ignition off for 5 minutes. So it's 11:58 right now. This one is going to be successful because I tried this one on Q7 and it was successful. So let me wait for 5 minutes and then we are going to try that. Switch for 5 minutes, switch ignition, switch off the ignition switch for 5 minutes and try again. If the login failed for the 3 times, the login code is most likely to be at the top. Okay, now 5 minutes time elapsed. Now I'm going to turn the ignition on again and click on this one. Failed again. Other function not available, failed again. Oh, this is going to be the problem.
The usual delays on the M5 going north of the M6 junction 8. Current travel time there is about 15 minutes. Also,
Failed. 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 This is failed. Failed again. I think these are the same. Failed. 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 No. Actually, this scanner cannot do that. This is the injector connector, as you can see. So I have connected to the LED lamp. Now I'm going to crank the engine and see if that LED light starts flashing. It means this LED is not flashing, so it means that the injectors are not energizing or opening. So I'm going to connect the injector connector back. Connected the injector connector back. That was the injector. This one. Okay. We check the crankshaft and camshaft sensor signal, and the signals were coming to the scanner, and the camshaft and crankshaft signal were showing on the scanner. And also we check the fuel rail pressure, while we cranking the engine by starter motor, so the fuel rail pressure was matched to the manufacturer specification or to the required spec. The only problem that we have, we don't have the injector signal, so the injectors are locked. The injectors are not energized, or the solenoid of the injectors are not energized by the computer. And also we have one crash signal, which is 139,700. That's all the time as soon as you crank the engine, and that is triggered. And this is the signal. So function limitation due to crash signal. So I think the engine is prevented by this signal, because they this is in central unit, as you can see, central electric module, and that signal is shared with the engine ECU. The engine ECU then prevents the injector to be operated. So every time when we crank the engine, this signal is showing, and also this fault code, is showing. And another thing, so I'm going to show you that here. If so, this is the engine control unit, power and ground side to check. So the power and ground side wire or pins are showing in connector 1 at the engine ECU. As you can see, these are the power wire A24, A70, not A71. So A5, A6, A3. These are all the power side, but these wires are thick here. But unfortunately, this is the up-to-date Heinz manual that we use, and when we go to the actual ECU, I'm going to show you now, there are two connector. One is A1, the other is A2. So on A1 there are very, very tiny wire, which is just for the signal purpose. They are not something like to supply power to the ECU, and we are a bit confused about that as well. So for this reason we couldn't check the power and ground side of the ECU as well. So let me show you. As you can see, so these are the power supply to the ECU. So if you see, it's A6, A5, E3, A24. These are the power side, and it's marked here A connector, only A. But let me show you there on the engine ECU. Okay, this is the engine control module. So as you can see, we got here A1, A2, A3, A4. So if I show you this one here, the A1 connector, okay, as you can see, these are very, very tiny pens. I don't think this is the power supply. That could be the wire signal. Even though if these pen, any of them, these pens, any of them are power supply, and we don't know because there is no A1 mark here. There is no A1 mark in the service manual, so for this reason we couldn't touch this one as well. So I think that could be the power supply, because the wires are thicker, but anyway, there is no any clear information on the Heinz manual for this connectors. But anyway, another guess that I'm having is that because this is 2019 and 20, there is very less possibility that the wires are broken or there is any issue in the power and ground side of the circuit. So another issue I'm going to show you, because this customer, very rare customer that you will come from, this customer thinks that the technician are magic. And so as soon as he drops the car, in the next morning he called me, what did you do, how it's going on. So this is little bit, it seems to me that customer puts pressure on the technician, but while he just wanted us to be a magic to start the engine, but he hasn't fixed this problem. As you can see, this is completely locked. Let me show you that here. 1 second. This is the passenger side front. This is the passenger side front seat belt. This is locked. That one is completely locked. As you can see, this is completely locked in crash position. And also this one is locked as well. As you can see, this is not extending at all. This is locked as well. And look here, so everywhere is touched by someone, by the previous technician or garage. This one is moving, as you can see. So this one is moving, that's it. So I think the customer first needs to fix the safety system issues, and so I put this one was in the rear seat put, and also as you can see, I showed you previously as well. So unfortunately this vehicle will be leaving our garage without fix, because the customer is in a hurry, and also he didn't do things which were required before he tries attempting to start the engine. So he should have done, or should have fixed the safety system issue, all of them. Then he should try and attempting the engine starting. Customer also had spare engine control unit, and he said you can put that one. He thought it's going to be very simple, while the another used engine control unit is very complicated to make it usable for this vehicle. So I think he you know, had very less knowledge about the a vehicle or whatever. No, I don't know. So I said to him, this is a very complicated procedure. So to make the used engine control unit from another donated vehicle on this one, or make it usable for this one. So unfortunately this car didn't fix here. It's going to leave as today. So thanks for watching.